So, ito yung ano nila, no, Honor X7D. Na pwedeng may water resistance, all angle water resistance. Meron siyang 16 RAM, 8+8 na RAM, at meron 112GB large storage. So, ito naman yung Honor X9C 5G, no, 16,999. At meron siyang all angle triple defense. No, mataas yung IP rating niya. Drop, water, heat resistance. AMOLED 1.5K AMOLED curve display. Curve nga, curve. Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose and you're watching Apps in Charlie. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Honor SM Fairview. And Merry Christmas to all. At may lalabas rin ng Honor ng bagong phone, so abangan natin yun. This December, meron silang lalabas. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell para palagi kayong ma-alert ng YouTube na meron akong bagong upload. So, I upload Mondays, Wednesdays, Friday, and sometimes once in a weekend. And every other day, meron tayo rin mga shorts. Okay? So, what are we waiting for? Let's check out the prices ng Honor. And pang Christmas shopping nyo na rin. It's the Honor X6C. Okay, this is the Honor X7D. Honor X8C. This is the Honor X8C. So, ito naman yung Honor X9C 5G, no, 16,999. At meron siyang all angle triple defense. No, mataas yung IP rating niya. Drop, water, heat resistance. AMOLED 1.5K AMOLED curve display. Curve nga, curve. Curve nga. Pasensya na, nasugatan ako. Ayan. So, curve the display. Plus, may 108 megapixel na camera. So, yung photo, ayan. 108 OIS with Honor AI camera. Meron siyang 24, 12+12 na GB na RAM at saka 256 na storage. Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1. So, sa photo niya, may wide angle, 1x, 2x, 3x, not bad. Pag sa portrait, pwedeng yan, mababawasan yung clarity sa likod. So kung gusto mong may ghost image sa likod or diffuse, ayan, meron siya. Aperture, night, portrait, photo, video. So video meron din wide angle, tapos 30 frames per second, 1080p, tapos 60 frames per second pag naka 1x siya, tsaka 2x. So I guess pag ganyan, mabawasan yung shake pag 60 frames per second. Tapos meron ka rin multi-video, pwedeng ganyan, pwedeng ganito, pwedeng ganyan. So nice siya, no? Nice. Pwede. Panlaban. Pwede pang vlog. Honor X9C. Get a free Honor gift box. the Honor 400. Honor 400. Honor 400. Honor 400. Honor 400. 22,999. This is the Honor 400 Pro. 32,999. This is the Honor Magic 7 Pro, 59,999. This is the Magic V5. This is the Honor Magic V5. It's a fold. Phone. It's one of the thinnest in the market.